Hey everyone, welcome back to Shug and Allen's Travel Channel.
So you came to Shug and Allen to find out what lunch is all about in the main dining room on
Yes.
Quantum of the Seas. We're going to show you exactly what it's all about because we're hungry. You're hungry.
I'm always hungry.
She's always hungry. Why not even ask that? I'm hungry this time too. So let's go and find out what's on the menu.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, it's dinner. I said dinner. Am I already putting this ahead of myself? Lunchtime.
What'd you say, dinner?
Yeah, I'm already thinking about dinner. All right, this is our table that we had yesterday also,
Beautiful.
with of course our view of the ocean.
All right, we're starting off right. Normally I get the Caesar salad. Something different today. Reminds me of being on Coco. Okay, we're just on the wrong side of the country. But mozzarella sticks with heavy marinara. Let's see here.
Whatever you choose to do for the rest of the day, hope you have a fantastic time. I look forward to seeing
I love it. I love when that cheese come out like that.
That's good. Takes me back to Coco Cane, like their cheese sticks, their mozzarella sticks. Man, yeah, that's good. Good seasoning. You know, we care about temperature. They're nice and hot. Marinara's warm. Yeah, it's done right. I see a copycat. I see a copycat.
Yes, he does.
Copycat.
See a copycat. I love these mozzarella sticks, especially if they taste like the ones on Coco K. Alan said they do, so let me see. I'll let you guys know.
She actually said she was going to get those before I did, so I can't tell a lie.
Exactly.
But I had it planned out in my mind. I was going to get them. All right, what you think about that?
Good.
Look at that cheese. Oh, buddy. Yeah, we both love cheese. We love cheese.
Yes, we do.
Okay, well, appetizer, no salad this time around. Let's see what the entree is going to be. All right, I got the royal chicken sandwich, and I got some French fries. We're in kind of a rush today because we got a show to go to, so we told him we didn't have time for dessert. So instead of making us wait, he brought it out now. Man,
Yes,
customer service is good. So this chicken sandwich, ooh, I got to remove a couple of things. I'll save them for Shug. I don't do...
Is that an onion ring?
That's onions. Don't do onions and tomato.
Don't do tomatoes.
Pow.
There we go.
All right. Dirty fingers. All right, let's see what we got here. Come here. Whew. Okay, that's good. It's got like, looks like maybe a Thousand Island dressing on there, and it's also got a mustard on there. I generally don't do any sauce on my sandwich except for mayo. But yeah, this is, man, it's good. It hits a spot. It's nice and hot. You guys know, again, temperature. Let's see if our fries are hot. Yeah, it's good. It's a good chicken sandwich. I recommend it. All right, her steak fritz has arrived.
I chose this again. It was so good. Dip it in the steak sauce. It tastes just like I expected it to. It's
Yeah.
juicy, it's hot, and it got a lot of good seasoning.
Yeah, shoot, my chicken sandwich is good. Maybe I should have got the steak fritz.
Let me try my fries. Fries are way hotter than yesterday. And then, of course,
Cheese roll.
yes,
She likes her cheese rolls like I like my chocolate ice cream. Well, maybe not that much, but pretty close to it. It's hit the spot.
definitely.
Okay.
I'll get back with you guys. Okay, Alan has his chocolate ice cream.
I don't know if I really need to give a review on this. It's ice cream, but let's make sure it's cold.
Is it cold enough?
Oh yeah.
Brain freeze kind of cold?
No, we don't want that kind of cold. It's the perfect kind of cold where it's slightly melted a little bit, which because it was sitting there, but that's just the way I like it. You know, at home, I'll take a bowl. I've got a special ice cream bowl. I don't do this too often because I don't eat ice cream at home too often, but I'll scoop my chocolate ice cream in there. I'll put a bunch of Hershey's syrup on there, then I take my spoon and I mix it all up so it's almost like a chocolate shake consistency. Oh man, heaven is a place on earth. That's it right there. Delicious. This little bowl's not big enough for me to mix it up. That might have been too much information for you. Sorry. I love chocolate ice cream. It's good. Oh man. I did a Shug.
Yeah, I make a mess
Man.
every time we eat. I make a mess. I leave my mark.
Yes, you do. I left one for you. All right, yeah, it's good. All right, so she moved on to that dessert. What
Yes,
you got there?
I have the warm apple cobbler and some vanilla ice cream.
Okay, well, let's see if the
Let's
apple
see.
cobbler is warm and if the ice cream is cold. That's a lot of cobbler stuff. Is that a good thing or is that a bad thing?
Bad.
Uh-oh.
I taste the apple. It's too much of this, and it's like, look,
Oh, wow. Good
Yeah.
Lord. What, is that brown sugar or what is that?
it's just sitting on top. So
That's sand from the beach?
That's a no-go for me. Yeah.
Okay. What about that ice
Okay,
cream?
let's go for the ice cream. I got vanilla ice cream. Get it? Shug loves vanilla ice
Oh,
cream.
God, this crazy chick.
Alan loves chocolate ice cream.
Well, what a coincidence.
Ice cream is good as ice cream. It helps take that taste out of my mouth. Yeah, so I wouldn't recommend the warm apple cobbler.
Yeah, or maybe next time they won't get that much stuff on there.
Yeah.
You guys know what that stuff is on top? If you do, put it in the comments below.
Yeah. Okay, but the vanilla ice cream, I recommend.
Okay. All right, Shug, what's your review? Give it to me straight. Don't hold
right.
back on me.
I'm gonna give it to you guys straight. The steak was good, but I found a lot more fat on it than normal. Would I recommend it? Yes, but just know it's gonna have some fat you need to cut off of the ends, and I didn't get all mine.
She's
so.
not good at cutting the fat off. Me,
No,
I
I'm not.
analyze the steak because, yeah, I really hate fat.
The French fries were good. They were really warm today, really warm. That was good. Of course, my cheese roll was good. And then we go to dessert. I do not recommend the warm apple cobbler. I just don't. It was almost as if it was a bunch of sand crumblies they dropped on top of it. The apple part tastes good, but not the top.
It was way down on the
It
bottom.
was way on the bottom. So no, I do not recommend the warm apple cobbler.
Okay.
Vanilla ice cream, it was ice cream. It was good.
And what about your mozzarella cheese sticks?
Oh my goodness. Yes. 2 thumbs up for that.
Oh, okay.
The mozzarella sticks are delicious.
Okay.
All right, Alan chose the chicken sandwich. So, which thumbs will it be?
So let's start with the mozzarella cheese sticks. Same thing Shug said. They were good. They were really good. Good temperature, good flavor. Reminded me of Coco K. Wish I was in the Bahamas.
Yes.
So yeah, they were absolutely delicious. Chicken sandwich, same thing. You know, when I take off the tomato and the onion, it was, and I don't know, it might have been good with that too. When I eat onion, like onion rings, I want like the onion flavor, but I don't want some thick, slimy onion in there. So I didn't give these onions a try. Next time I will. But the chicken sandwich was good. The mustard on there, the dressing that was on there was a great mix, gave it great flavor. It was good. French fries, you know, they were warm this time. You know, more than warm, not quite hot, but more than warm. So the French fries were good. Chocolate ice cream's chocolate ice cream. It's always good. Sometimes you get that chocolate ice cream that's got like ice chunks in it, and I hate when that happens, but I haven't experienced that on Royal. So it was delicious. So guys, thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching another food review with us. We appreciate it. You know the drill. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Over 50% of you right now watching this have not subscribed to the channel. So hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more of our adventures. We want to thank our members. We appreciate you guys so much. Victoria Jackson misbehaving, and we will see you guys on our next food adventure.